In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank cards in Apple Wallet for digital payments via Apple's convenient Apple Pay system. If you're ready to take advantage of the ease and security of paying with your iPhone, just follow along with me and by the end of this video, you'll have your bank card set up in Apple Wallet. Let's begin by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you're new to Apple Wallet, you'll find its icon on your home screen. It looks like a colourful stack of cards. Once you tap on it, the app will open, revealing all the cards and passes you currently have in your digital wallet. Now, to add a new bank card, look for the plus sign, usually situated at the top right corner of the app screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the page where you can choose to add various cards. On this page, you'll see an option for debit or credit card. Tap on this option to start adding your bank card. Apple Wallet gives you the flexibility to either scan the card using your phone's camera or enter the details manually. When scanning, make sure your card is well lit and centered within the frame on your screen. The app will automatically recognize the card details and prompt you to confirm any additional information required. Next, the app needs to verify your card with your bank. This is a crucial step for ensuring that your card information is securely stored. Verification processes may differ depending on your bank, but generally you can choose to verify via SMS, email, or a banking app, all of which are quick and secure methods designed to protect your data and identity. Once you've completed the bank's verification process through your preferred method, you'll receive a confirmation. This indicates that your card is now part of your Apple Wallet. From this point on, you're equipped to use Apple Pay for purchases. Whether you're paying at physical stores, within apps, or online, you'll just need to look for the Apple Pay symbol. At this stage, your digital wallet is ready for convenience and speed with every transaction. Using Apple Pay not only streamlines your purchasing experience, but also adds a layer of security as your actual card numbers aren't saved on your device or on Apple servers. And there you have it. You've successfully added your bank card to Apple Wallet. You can now enjoy the benefits of Apple Pay's secure, fast, and easeful transactions. Thank you for following along and enjoy the world of digital payments with Apple Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy spending.